Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá, ẹ súnmọ́ bí ẹ jẹ́ kí n bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ díẹ̀. Mo kàn fẹ́ kí gbogbo yín ronú wípé gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣe, inú Ọlọ́run ò dùn sí mi tẹ́ ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Àwọn èèyàn ń sọ́fà, àwọn èèyàn ń jìyà, àwọn èèyàn fẹ́ wálé ni wọ́n sì ń sọ́pọ́ọ̀tì òmìnira ní ọ̀nàkọnà. Àwọn míì tí wọ́n sọ́pọ́ọ̀tì gan, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ló wù láti wá sí orílẹ̀-èdè bàbá ẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n kó má bàa di pé yóò wá, wọn á wá jí gbé. Orí fídíò woman kan lénìí tí woman yẹn ṣe ń sunkún, omi ẹkún dẹ̀ gbọ̀n èmi náà torí omi ẹkún ò kì í gbẹ́jọ́ lójú tèmi. Ìwọ lè rí mi asọ̀dàlẹ̀, ìwọ lè rí mi àsẹni tó ń takò yàn, ìwọ lè rí mi bí ẹni tó ń ba ayé èèyàn jẹ́. Èmi ò kì í ṣe o. Irú ibi tí ìwọ wá èrò ọkàn tiẹ̀, ẹ̀yin kò òtítọ́ ni, ara tí ń kò tọ́. Ẹ fẹ́ kí nǹkan máa dàrú lọ. Mo fẹ́ kó wo fídíò yìí, kó wo bí woman yẹn ṣe ń sunkún bí ọmọdé. Ẹ jẹ́ kí Yorùbá ṣèṣọ̀kan. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fira wa ṣe ìjà tẹ́ ń bára jà yìí. Òmìnira lẹ fẹ́ gbà kì í ṣe local government. Táwa ń jàjà èmi lọ̀gá, èmi là Paul, èmi là Polo. Tèmi ni Táyé, tèmi ni ti Kẹ́hìndé. Kódà Ìdòwú èmi tiẹ̀ ni mo bá kí ló dé. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fi gbogbo story ipò èmi lọ̀gá ìwọ lọ̀gá ẹ jẹ́ á fi ilẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ àgbo orílẹ̀-èdè wa. Ṣé jẹ́ àpò lọ̀rọ̀ tó kù ńlẹ̀ yìí? Mo fẹ́ kẹ́yin náà wo fídíò tí mo fẹ́ fi wọ̀n yín. Ẹ ṣé.
Just look at how this place is. This is not snow. This thing una dey see no be snow. This is ice. As you can see, I'm still with my uniform. I'm just coming back from work. 22 hours shift. I have gold, but I am hungry. Our leaders, devil will punish una. All of una. We say Nigeria no go better. All of una go die. Your children no go see better. Now so sickness. Now so sickness. I dey for church. They cause una Nigerian leaders. Now so bad sickness. All of una go they get. Una children will bring nothing but shame to you guys. All our Nigerian leaders when say Nigeria no go better. We be so now go they carry our money, they eat, they hide. Today said our money go they rotty. Shame until you guys. Una go come here finish, una go still go back. You go get even as I am. I can't see my fellow human being hungry. I can't see my fellow human being hungry. Even though I don't have, I will go and look for a place to borrow to make sure that that person eats. Our leaders, you people are wicked. To be honest, you guys are very wicked. You guys are heartless. Our leaders, who know the wicked, who know the heartless, who know the wicked. If you can keep this kind of money in Makurdi, Makurdi has no light. They have no good road, no good school. And you people are keeping this kind of money. God will punish all of you now. God will punish you guys. God will punish you now. All Nigerians are running away, coming to Europe to suffer. Why we have money that you guys can keep and the money gets rotten? I am in the front of church. God will punish you now. All these leaders, you people will never see good in life. This is ice, not snow. It's minus 11 degrees here. You have the mind to hide our money. Money that you can use and give us good life. You hide it. You hide it. You will never see good in life. If you come across this video, share it to any politician page. You guys will never see good in life. This is just painful that we came from a good state, but we cannot feed very well. We have gold, we have oil, but we are still begging. At this point of time, our leaders are so wicked. You guys are heartless. You guys are heartless. We Nigerians are not supposed to be here. We are not supposed to leave that country for any other place. But because of your selfishness, your greed, look at money that are meant for everybody. Just group of people hiding it. God go punish una. Una no go see better.
You fucking sorry. I'm fucking go to you know. Fucking crazy man. This way back away and fucking get up.